Are you looking for a glow up tips without spending any money, or you want a glow up without spending any money? Congratulations, here you got your video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. हर जगह skincare and I have no idea मैं skincare में बनाऊँ तो बनाऊँ क्या, cause I don't have any proper skincare routine. But मैं फिर भी आ चुकी हूँ and tell me that it's not looking fake, cause it's actually fake. हटा दूँ क्या इन्हें? I guess now it's looking better. Well, वैसे तो आप लोगों ने मुझे मांगा था स्किन केयर वीडियो, बट मैं आप लोगों के लिए पूरा का पूरा ला चुकी glow up tips for 2025, and today I'm gonna show you 9 glow up tips that can improve your look. And don't skip the video और वीडियो लास्ट तक देखना, cause लास्ट में मैं एक बोनस टिप आप लोगों को बताऊंगी, उसको अगर कर लिया तो ग्लो अप इज कंफर्म. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर वीडियो. सो फर्स्ट टिप इज ड्रिंक लॉट वाटर, क्योंकि ग्लो अप का पहला स्टेप यही है कि अपनी बॉडी को अंदर से इम्प्रूव करो, अंदर से अच्छा बनाओ. एंड वाटर कैन हेल्प इन लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग, लाइक ज़्यादा पानी पियोगे तो ग्लोइंग स्किन होगी और बहुत सारी बीमारियां भी चली जाएंगी. ड्रिंक वाटर टू एनहांस योर स्किन फ्रॉम अंडर योर बॉडी. सेकेंड टिप, इफ यू हैव एक्ने प्रॉब्लम, अवॉइड कंज्यूमिंग ऑयली फूड. ये आपके पिंपल्स को और ज़्यादा बढ़ा सकता है. Consume less oily food. It will be great to your health. By the way guys, if you have serious acne problems or any skin problems, go to the dermatologist, cause I am not a dermatologist. I am telling these tips to you cause it worked for me. It doesn't mean that it will work for you too. So if you have serious skin problem, go to the dermatologist. If you guys have acne, I would recommend you avoid looking at yourself in the mirror. I don't know why, logically तो समझ नहीं आएगा, but it really work. Third point, do workout daily. If you really want to glow up, I would recommend you lose some weight. Weight loss करो, अपने face fat को थोड़ा कम करो. If you really wanna look unrecognizable. And ये तो मत ही बोलना कि टाइम नहीं है, दिन में only 30 minutes के लिए वर्कआउट कर ही सकते हो. After improving your body from the inside, now comes the outside part. In this part, I'm gonna tell you some tips that can improve your looks from the outside. Now, point 4, get a haircut. Based on your face type and features, I'm showing you some pictures. These are some different types of face shapes. Just match your face with this and get a haircut according to that. For example, I have oval face and that's why my face doesn't suit full bangs. These are the do's and don'ts if you have oval face, and these are for round and square face, and these are for oval and rectangular face. Just check it out. अपने सर पे ऐसे हाथ रखो और चेक करो कि कितने फिंगर्स का है तुम्हारा फोरहेड. मेरे 4 फिंगर्स का है, सो मेरे ऊपर फुल बैंक सूट नहीं करेंगे. 4 से ज़्यादा फिंगर्स है, जस्ट लाइक 5 फिंगर्स, so you should get a bangs. Now fifth tip, eyebrows. Now eyebrows play a major role in your face. Get eyebrows according to your face shape like this. I'm showing you some pictures. Now match your eyebrow shape according to your face shape. As you can see, my face is oval or round. I don't know what my actual face shape is, but I think it's oval. So my eyebrows are straightly cut out. As you can see, it's straight. And mostly Koreans have straight eyebrows just like Wonyoung. Now comes the 6th tip, and that is skin care. हाँ, जिसके लिए मुझे बहुत लोगों ने पूछा कि क्या स्किन केयर करती हो. Guys, see, I really wanna buy Korean skin care, but जब मैंने गूगल किया Korean skin care का, कोई है 7,000, 8,000, 4,000, and I madly wanna buy Korean skincare, but the problem is, so I don't have any skincare but I do use home remedies. So first remedy is my personal favorite, and that is water, grinded rice and honey. I use this mask 2 times a day. And my second favorite is gram flour, yogurt and turmeric. इस रेमेडी के बारे में तो ज़्यादातर लोगों को पता ही होगा। Do wash your face 2 times a day, one in the morning, second in the night before going to bed, and use only one product. Like if you're using one company's face wash, use it, never change that, क्योंकि आपका फेस उससे used to हो जाता है. So never change your product. अगर change करोगे और अगला product आपको सूट नहीं किया तो it can cause you pimples. Never ever put soap on your face. Never. Avoid being oily skin just like me. मेरी बहुत ज़्यादा oily skin है and I use this face wash clean and clear. ये oily skin के लिए एकदम perfect है. And do change your pillowcase 2 days in a week. So 7th tip. Now look at your hands, look at your veins and match your veins with this picture and wear your clothes according to that. It will suit your complexion and see what's your complexion is, warm undertone, neutral tone or cool tone. I have neutral tone, like I'm wearing it right now. Now comes the 8th tip. Makeup is necessary because it helps your features to enhance, but it's important to do your makeup based on which pretty are you. Which pretty means I'm showing you this chart. Like if you have seen some K-pop idols, they really look different from each other because of their different kinds of pretty. As you can see in this picture, some are deer pretty, cat pretty, fox pretty, and many more. And this is the chart. If you are warm undertone, use this. If you're cool undertone, and if you're neutral undertone, makeup like this. Now comes the bonus tip. I hope कि आप लोगों ने पूरा वीडियो देखा होगा ये टिप को जानने के लिए. So the last tip is cut off those people who are putting you down and being mean to you. Like I know बहुत सारे लोग होंगे आपकी लाइफ में जो लोग आपको डिमीन करते हैं, पुट डाउन करते हैं, मजाक उड़ाते हैं. इट कैन बी you're being surrounded by the mean peoples. Like some are having toxic friendships, toxic relationships and other. So if you really want to look unrecognizable, if you really want to glow up, so cut off these people from your life. Okay, and lastly I want to say that मैं आप लोगों को सब्सक्राइबर नहीं मानती हूँ. You guys are like my friends, real, for real. This number of people, 5203 people are my friends. इसीलिए सबको भी चुन चुन के कमेंट्स के रिप्लाई दे देती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे अच्छा लगता है जब आप लोग मेरे साथ कनेक्ट करते हो, कमेंट करते हो. So do leave a comment, I like it very much. So cut off those people, focus on yourself and glow more. That's it for today. I hope you guys like this video and thanks for watching. I love you guys and I'll see you in the next video. Tab tak ke liye, bye bye.